South Texas Weather Modification Association. Down in Pleasanton, up until the end of July, it's been pretty wet, and we were pretty busy in May. Well, not so much May, but June and July, we were pretty busy with a number of flights. So far up to the year, we've got 22 days where we've conducted seeding operations, which is a little bit actually below average. Over the course of the 13 years that we've been doing it, we average about 38 days of cloud seeding operations. So right now at 22, we're a little behind. We're more than halfway through August, and we only had one day this month so far that we've done operations. When we were going through that wet period, a lot of our eastern counties were trying to do some harvesting, whether it was hay or corn or milo, and we actually had to put restrictions in place for our eastern counties, Wilson, Karnes, and the southern half of Bee and Live Oak counties. Wilson and Karnes have been lifted as far as restrictions, but the southern half of Bee and Live Oak are still under restrictions until the 1st of September. This has happened a couple of times before in the past. If we've had a lot of rain during the harvest, then we'll place a restriction on an area so that we don't contribute to any more rain when they're trying to get out in the fields. Other than that, really not much. The typical weather that we normally would have, unlike last year where a lot of our weather come from the north, this year we are getting our typical sea breeze convection, tropical waves coming in, and of course the tropical activity should be enhanced this season by La Nina, but of course we haven't had that much in the way of tropical cyclones just yet, but I think that's going to pick up here in the next couple of weeks. And we'll see what kind of impact that has on our operations. But for now we're running a bit behind. Hopefully things will pick up here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll be able to have a lot more flights and get back on track. But that's about all I have to report right now. If there's any questions.
Questions?